My Lifan KPT 400 has landed. All we gotta do is a little assembly. Check that out. Got the gray with the yellow trim. Getting her all uncrated there, guys. One step at a time. Got all the crate off. Mounted the handlebars. Get ready to install the battery. And to access the battery, there is a key right here to unlock the seat and access the battery. So I'm over here working by myself to get this off. What I did was I put ratchet straps out to the frame before I removed the bracket that was holding it up straight, and then I cut this part of the crate off, and basically all I had to do is just take the front wheel and rotate it and pull the bottom of the crate out. Very simple. So now I need to get it started up. Let's see, it started while I'm videoing. We first start. Wow. That sounds great. Let it warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna undo the ratchet straps and drive it off the crate. Well, that was simple. Just drove it right off. I'm gonna let it run through these cycles while I'm putting the rest of the stuff on. So I got it all put together with panniers, everything ready to go. I'm getting ready to go take a little short ride. Yeah, like usual, it starts getting dark on me right by the time I'm getting finished putting the bikes together. But you know, checked everything in, everything's ready to roll. It's got a little, maybe a quart tank of gas. I'll stop and get me some fuel. So man, I just got back from a nice little ride. This thing is great. It is so smooth. The power, everything about it just handles great. Wish I had a better video right now because it's dark. Of course, like always, I'll do it at dark. But yeah, really like the bike. Nice and comfortable. Yeah, it's not too heavy. Compared to my ST, this is like a feather, but it has just enough weight so you feel comfortable with it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want one of these KPT 400s, visit Venom Motorsports website. You can use my discount code JerryHawk250 and get $50 off.